Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Okay, let's make this video because you guys need it. So what we got here, it's Redcat Racing Volcano EPX. Brushed electric RC Monster truck. What I'm trying to show you guys today is how to start with something small and grow with it and make it to something much better. So this Redcat Racing Volcano is a brushed electric. Let's open it real quick. And you can do it with any car. I'm showing this one because we already did that with the Volcano, so it will be easier. So when you open the car, what you see inside is it have 8 shocks, that it's like 2 at each side. It's brushed electric. The platform is pretty good for what it is and for the price. The Redcat Racing are inexpensive, and they're still very good quality for the price you're paying. A lot of, if you compare it to other brand in the market that's selling you a car that is a rear-wheel drive with a battery and a charger for the same price that you get this one, it's a complete ripoff. This one you get another shaft in the center, differential on the front, all the drive shaft, and it's a 4-wheel drive, and it's a great value. Now, so you go and you bought a brushed electric because this what was affordable, and because you bought it for your kid and he was a little kid and you did not want to spend the money and crash the car. Now you outgrow the car and you say, okay, I'm gonna go and buy another one faster. But stop right there. You don't really need to do that. And this is where this video is starting and making it very important for you to pay attention. So any RC car you can upgrade. The car that we have over here, this is almost 10 years old Redcat Racing Volcano that got completely upgraded. Although it's have this color, I painted this. This is not the new Pro version. I painted this thing about like I think 6 years ago. And what going on is that, let me remove the cover and expose what there is underneath. So you can see that the body is really broken up already and got all the repairs and everything on it, but this is part of the hobby, one of the things that you need to do. Now, when you look at this car, you can see that I have over there like aluminum frame. Let's change the two so it will be easier. This one have aluminum shocks, this one have aluminum frame, aluminum arms all around, and this kind of got Mickey Mouse. I did all this just to make something really cool for very low price. So whenever you want to upgrade into a better car, sometimes you can take your old vehicle and actually make it a much better, you know, with a little bit investment and a lot of effort of you working on putting all those parts together. So this Redcat Racing is probably, I would say, about 50 to 60 miles an hour RC truck right now, that it's kind of all aluminum. And the cost, for example, for the parts, so those arm kit to get all around all the arm that you need, including all the steering link, the steering arms over here, everything was about $100. And when you buy it, it's arrived in a kit that look like this. So you're gonna get a kit, and the kit look like this, and you just install it on that car. Now I did do some upgrading over here, and I put a brushless motor, a brushless ESC, and I put actually a 25 kilogram steering servo, because the 25 kilogram steering servo make it stronger, less problem, and it's work, for me it was working better. Now, overall, the investment that I did on this car versus going and buying a new car was actually pretty good, because at the last, again, we have this car for about 10 years. This car running in the shop on a daily basis, probably about, I would say, an hour to hour and a half, kind of almost every day, to show it to customers how durable it is and what you can do with them, that how to work on the coilover. So this didn't get touched a lot, it's get jumped a lot, and it's still in a very good condition, considering that this thing actually running so much and the brushless motor is still working on it. This is actually a kind of entry-level brushless motor from Redcat Racing. Now, that being said, this is probably about right now, I would say $320, $350 car versus what it started as. But if you would go and buy another car and you'll start over with a brushless car, most likely you're going to get something like this made out of all plastic. And it could be also a good beginner for you because you can get actually for about $260 to $300 one of those versions that is all plastic, and you can actually buy the aluminum parts, and then it will be about $400 to $450. Now, what I'm trying to show over here, and a lot of people, if you disagree with me, just write on the comment below. What will you do with your car? Because people say Redcat was not good, and I'm going to with Redcat here to show that it's running, and it's running for so long. I did not even change once the differential gears in it, and we run it a lot. And I just want you to know that you can do this kind of conversion to any car you got, no matter what brand it is. So before you go and look for right now, when everybody's kind of try to save their money, you can little by little buy more and more parts and make your car look better, perform better, instead of going and buying another car. But if you want another car and truck, of course, come and see me at our shop at Motor Styles in Granada Hills, and I will help you. But this is just to show real quick how to take something from the basic and make it more professional so you can have more fun with it, and you learn how to work with your hands and doing all this. All those nuts and bolts and screws, you're going to need to take them apart, put it back together, and this is something that kind of 99.9% of you can do. You just have to take the time to do that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'm gonna make another video that actually you're gonna need to look for part 2. I will just take this vehicle outside and run it just so you guys can see like how it's still performing, and it's working amazing. And then those tires that they have, it's really hard to kind of strip them. Those tires are pretty good quality, and I don't think, I think I only changed the tires on this in the 10 years only once, and that's it. But they never broke or tear or anything like that, so I'm pretty happy with it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage, Motor Styles shop in Granada Hills, 17540 Chatsworth Street. If you have any question, write it below. You're more than welcome to contact us and come to the shop. I will see you on my next video. Bye.